Hello guys, how you doing? Thanks so much for clicking. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig using a closure. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So the closure that I'm going to use on today's tutorial, I actually shared a DIY or a hack on how to make this closure. So if you're interested, if you want to know how to make this closure, kindly check the description box down below. This is a hack for those people who can't afford a closure, or for those people who can't ventilate the entire lace, just to to make a closure. Yeah, so again, check the description box down below. The first step I did, I pinned down my closure on this cap because again, pinning it down makes it easier to sew the closure on the cap. So I went ahead and pinned the closure down and sew it on the cap.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my...
I use this thin thread on the closure because of course it's a lace, and then for the tracks I use this thicker thread, and also it kind of quickens up the process when you use the thicker thread sewing the tracks. And this is the hair that I'm going to use. It's Impress Silk Straight, and then the length of the bundles were different. I started by sewing the longer one at the bottom because I wanted my wig to be slightly longer. So if you want your wig to be long, then the bottom part of the cap you should start with the long one. But then if you want your wig to be short, then the long bundle can be like on top.
Just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason.
Yeah, the next step is to pin down the hair on the cap. Like this kind of quickens up the process. And then also remember, I've not marked on my cap where I'm going to sew the tracks, so pinning it down makes it easier, and also it gets me on where I'm supposed to sew my hair. I'm first of all going to space the hair at the back. I'm not going to sew the tracks together. I'm going to space them 2 fingers apart, and then when some hair is left, I can fill the spaces at the back. And then also another reason is because you don't want to sew them close and then you run out of hair when you get at the top of the of the wig. So at the back, make sure you space them.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night, time continues marching.
So as you can see, I've spaced them 2 fingers apart, and then in case I have some hair left, I can just fill the spaces.
I recall you came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like...
So this is one bundle. I have 5 bundles left, but then still I'm just going to space until I get almost halfway, and then that's when I can start sewing them together. And then also avoid cutting the tracks. Just fold them as you sew, because you might experience shading if you cut the tracks. So avoid cutting the tracks and just fold them as you continue. As I get to the top of the wig, this is when I'm going to sew the tracks together. As still you can see the space between the tracks, I'll just fill that part. But then as you get on top of this wig, make sure the tracks are closer to each other.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another
I've sewn the hair on the entire cap, so the next step is to fill the spaces with the hair that is left.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another.
You can trim this hair to your desired length, and also you can flat iron it if you want it to be like a bob.
Season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I cut the lace and then sew a band or combs on this wig to make it more secure on your head.
In this dark and smoky room, way your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear.
I really love this wig, so guys, just comment down below if you love this wig, because I really love the color. I love how silk straight it is. And yeah, so just comment down below, guys, if you love it, if you love this style, if you love how it looks on me, if you can try this color, if you can try this style.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this. All my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it.
That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
All my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night with my